So we are going to draw. Haruna is going to assist with picking the teams. Yeah, we already have A1. We said that is APR. So the first ball that will be drawn from pot 1, we have pot 1 right here. Haruna, you'll move closer here. Those many years ago, you were so used to dribbling, juggling, scoring goals, celebration, but here, you have to pick the teams. So the first ball drawn from pot 1 will join Group A as A2. Haruna, kindly make your choice. You can turn them around as much as you want. And finally, decide on, you can open that and show everybody the team that you have picked. You can turn it around so that everyone can see that. So that is Vipers Sports Club from Uganda. They join APR in Group A. APR, remember, is A1. So Vipers becomes A2. Sorry, Vipers becomes A2. Yeah, thank you, Haruna. We now very quickly move to the second ball to be drawn again by Haruna Niyonzima. That is from pot 1. We will join Group B as B2. Remember, in Group B, we have B1 as Singida Black Stars. Haruna, again, you can turn the balls around before you make your pick. Wow. So, Group B, B1 is Singida Black Stars, and now B2 is Simba Sports Club. They happen to be the teams from the same league, that is Tanzania, and that creates quite some tough, encounters. You can just imagine what we shall witness. Thank you, Haruna. Haruna, that third ball that is remaining will determine the team that will go and become C2 to join Al Hilal of Sudan, because Al Hilal Sudan Sports Club is C1. Kindly pick that again, Haruna. So Group C, C1, we have Al Hilal Sports Club of Sudan, and then we have C2, Rayon Sports Football Club of Rwanda. Wow. I love the way that everything is shaping up. Yes, Haruna, let's move to pot 2. Again, very quickly, pot 2, the first ball that will be drawn from pot 2 will join Group A as A3. Haruna, very quickly, turn those balls around and make your pick. Wow. So we have the Kenyan Premier League champions, the reigning champions, Gor Mahia, taking up as A3, team A3. Yeah. Thank you, Haruna. Very quickly again, Haruna, turn those balls around, make your pick. The next ball that you pick from pot 2 will become B3. Jammu Sports Club, a team from the South Sudan Premier League. They join Group B as B3. We move to the last one. Sorry, Group 2. We move to the last one. Tusker joins Group C as C3. Are we together? C3. Tusker are a Premier League side from Kenya. Thank you, Haruna. Let's keep moving to pot 3. Pot 3, to fill the remaining 3 teams. Turn those balls around as much as you want before you make your pick. We have the team from Djibouti Guard Republic. They become A4. Are we together? A4. So we have Group A complete. Are we together? Haruna, again, turn the balls around. Mogadishu City from Somalia. They play in the Somali Premier League. They will be B4 to complete the group also in B. And then the last ball, Haruna Niyonzima, kindly. To complete Group C, that is KVZ Sports Club, the champions of Zanzibar Premier League. So they complete Group C. And ladies and gentlemen, you can see how the groups will, it's going to be a tight one. Very interesting games that we can already start anticipating. Yeah. And what a platform, because that is what we are looking for the teams to test themselves ahead of the CAF, the different CAF tournaments, the Total Energies CAF Champions League, the Total Energies Confederation Cup. So what a platform. Haruna, thank you very much. And like we said, the tournament will have the 3 phases: the group stage, the semi-final stage, and the final. Basically, it means the top teams, the teams that come first in each of the groups, will go straight to the semi-final. And that team that finishes second, so we are looking for the best second finisher in any of the 3 groups. Yeah? You might all finish with the same number of points as number 2s, but we go into the nitty-gritty. How many goals did you concede? How many did you score? So the second best finisher will make it to the semi-finals. And right after the semi-final, we go straight to, of course, the final, but we have a playoff. The teams that lose at the semi-final stage will play a playoff game that to decide who comes third. Ladies and gentlemen, remember there are cash prizes for the champions, the runners-up, and the third best. And our patron, His Excellency Paul Kagame, the President of Rwanda, supported with the cash prizes since 2002. And we need to thank him again, because it doesn't come easy. It takes a president who loves sport, who loves football. So we say asanteni sana. We shall, like I said, play the games at the 3 different pitches. We shall communicate which matches will be played where. And we call upon the fans. Please come in large numbers. Let's enjoy the sport that we really love. Let's enjoy the sport that brings us together, that shows brotherhood and sisterhood. Let's come together from July 24th to August 7th. Asanteni sana, Haruna, Fabregas, Nionzima. Thank you for being part of this official draw of the Cecafa Kagame Cup.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We are having a press conference in the next 10 to 15 minutes after this draw, where we can be able to get more information. Thank you very much, members of the 4th Estate. Asante sana.